Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First we need to turn off our watch. To do it, you can press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until you see this menu on the screen. Then you can tap on power off option and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the upper button and lower button together. So let's press and hold them. And when this menu appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. And as you can see, we entered the Fastboot mode. To move through the menu, you can use the lower button. Simply by pressing it, you can scroll through the menu. And to confirm the selections, you can press the upper button. In this menu, we have options like Start, Restart bootloader, Recovery mode, Power off, Boot to FMBM, Enter ship mode, and we're back to Start. To exit this menu or this mode, select Start or Power off, depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to turn it off, select the Power off option. If you want to boot it into system, select the Start option. Then press the upper button to confirm. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.